Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw your money from Vantage to Trust Wallet. So let's dive in. First things first, you want to open the Vantage website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct live trading account because withdrawals won't work from demo accounts. Then once you're on the main dashboard, look for the withdraw option and then tap on it. This one, withdrawal option. Next, Vantage will show you your account type and available balance. You can see here, there we go. You want to double check that everything is correct, then enter the amount you want to withdraw, for example, $100. If you want to cash out everything at once, you can simply tap the max button. And then after entering the amount, just go ahead and click continue. From there, you'll be asked to choose your preferred withdrawal method. So you can select e-wallet, then look for Trust Wallet from the list. Now to show you this, let me go to deposit. So let's say 100. I'll just go and tap continue. There we go. So it should look similar to this one. As I mentioned, just go ahead and click e-wallet, then look for Trust Wallet from the list. Now, depending on your region, the available options might look slightly different. So as you can see, I have these available in my region, but Trust Wallet should appear if it's supported in your area. Now, once selected, paste your Trust Wallet address into the wallet address field and make sure the address is correct because crypto transactions can't be reversed. After reviewing all the details, confirm the withdrawal and submit your request. And that's it. Your withdrawal will be processed, and once approved, the funds will be sent directly from Vantage to your Trust Wallet. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.